Can I make a tomato sandwich? Alexa, make me a tomato sandwich.
I don't know that.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
I'm reading a book about anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down.
That's pretty cute. I guess I'll have to make my own darn sandwich. Well, I'm going to make me a tomato sandwich. Which one looks like it would be the tastiest? This is about the way most of my tomatoes are getting picked, kind of semi-green, and I'm not waiting for them to get ripe and all that heat out there. I'll let them ripen in here on the table. That one looks like it'll make a good sandwich. We'll go peel it and do it. I got everything about what I need to make a tomato sandwich here today. I was going to peel it, but I've decided not to. Dry my hands and get my bread all soggy if I don't. We'll toast it. You don't have to toast your bread on a tomato sandwich, but I want this one lightly toasted. Get the mayonnaise ready to go. That ought to be enough for one sandwich. I got to watching TV and almost made my toast too dark. But it's alright, it ain't burnt. Put a good dollop of mayo on there. Want some more mayonnaise, but I don't want to put crumbs in the jar, so I'm going to wipe off the spoon. Oh, that's too much. That ought to grease that thing where it'll slide right down. Now let's load it up. Got plenty of mater on my sandwich. I can't use real salt anymore, but we can use this artificial stuff. You make one of these. Use some real salt, it'll help it better. A dash of pepper. Alright, that's for the trash pile. Lunch is soy, my friends. Gotta find something to wash her down with. There you go, one pretty good looking mater sandwich. Let's go to the table. The cup is to remind me to take my pills. Pills lined up here every day. There's a blood thinner. These over here are ones I've already taken today. So if I've taken it, I move it over there. So we need a blood pressure. That's enough for now. By the time the day's over, all these bottles will be over there. Tomorrow we'll do it again. All right, lunch is served. Darn blood pressure pill stuck in the bottom of the cup. We'll do it this way. It's gone now. Today I'm partaking of a diet right cola, and they're pretty good. I'm going to chomp right into this sandwich. Here's mud in your eye, my friend. Pretty good tomato. Thanks for watching my video today.